Go. It's on your fork, kiddo.
Uh-oh. Tofu down.
Good job, Ez.
Good job.
Good job. Here's some more. Can you spear them yourself? Good job,
Good
kiddo.
job.
Can Daddy help you? Esme Dawkins.
You just saving that piece for later?
Oh, you want me to have some? Nom, 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 nom. Delicious. Here you go. No, I'm full. Thank you very
Why
much.
don't you eat it? Why don't you eat it? Good job.
Good girl. Nicely done. Nicely done. You eat it, Daddy.